it all goes back to one point. So I have a dream. A lot of times people see your dreams as they crazy. You going for your passion you have for your dreams may make you act crazy. You trying to reach your goals for your dreams, you're driven, you know. The dreams you have are so visionary, they may call you a genius. But it's just I'm a dreamer. I love closing my eyes and dreaming. I don't really deal with reality when I deal with trying to work towards the future. I can't deal with what a reality is supposed to be. I have to take it to where I see it could go, where I feel it could go. I have to dream. No matter if I succeed or fail, I can never be afraid of dreaming. I think that's what's gotten me this far. This whole thing is a big dream to me. Everything that I do, you know, performing, rapping, producing, making music, it's a dream come true for, you know, especially a young black kid, Mount Vernon, Harlem. Like, this is it right here. I love it.